Good morning, everyone. On Saturday is now I am in the office at Rompo Market Mokata. Well, today on Saturday, normally Saturday sometime I go working, sometime I take care elderly, but today I have appointment with customer. Well, it's my job. Look, I have to take care depend on customer because right now it's low season, not smart, and then I have to more customer what I can, right? It's me here. Look, see my office. You can find me easy when you come and walk with Rompo Market, in the immigration soy 5, and then you just keep your eye look opposite. They have a kitchen, restaurant, and then you will find market there. You just go through, and then you will see here. Look, yeah, this one there, immigration there. I can see. Well, I'm here now in the office. Just come to see me, talk to me, what you need help, what you want, and then I will help you. It's me now, Sassy. I have to make sure all the customer come do the right visa, do the right thing. I don't want you guys go make mistake because sometimes have to do the right thing in the first one. Well, anyone enjoy, you need help, you need visa, you need help, you need condo, just call me. I am here in the office. Well, anyone enjoy, have a nice day on, have a good day on weekend. It's me now here. Look, visa asset Pattaya. Okay, bye. Book appointment first. When you come to Thailand, you know how to find me. Rompo Market, Buffet, Mokata. You easy to find. Okay, bye, everyone.